Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just play it around and you never know what you're going to get when you combine things together and rotate. But look as we get further and further into this drawing, just some weird stuff just because something I accidentally did. Now, I'm not saying you would ever draw this, but it might give you an idea or two to do something. We're going to start out with the polygon tool set on just three-sided, and we're going to make just a cylindrical, I'm going to call it an arrow. Let's zoom in here a little bit. And then I'm going to get the distort tool, and I'm going to put in 10 on that part, and then just start bumping this up till I get a pretty weird pattern. And then I'm going to go and actually make it, you could do it like this, or you could go and make it a round or a smooth. I want to get rid of these on the bottom. I kind of like the way it did it, but it's kind of hard to find the center. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of this. We're just going to take this. Well, you know what? I didn't take it apart before, so we'll probably have to go to group and convert it to a curve. Then we could take it, it'll have nodes, and we'll just delete these nodes. And we might even actually delete those two nodes and see what we get. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one, I'm going to add a node. So that way I know there's a node in the middle. Now I could go ahead and make it black right now and take away the outline. It might be harder to find that node, but I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And then I'm going to move that center rotation to that node. And I'm going to rotate it 22.5 degrees. Now I could go, there's a reason for this. Control D all the way around. Now we could leave it like that, or we could go more. We're going to Control G to group, Control D to duplicate it. This time we're going to go 11.25, which is half the distance. So that's pretty cool within itself. But look what happens when we just kind of play with it. We're going to go up to group and ungroup all. And by doing that, we can select it now and go up to object and combine it and watch what happens. A total different look. I mean, pretty cool. Not saying you'll ever draw anything like that, but just playing around, thought that might be cool. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.